Okay, what you want to do as you're putting in the new head, you'll want to confirm again, do you have a 203 or 300 DPI? Do I have a black platen? Then it's 203. If I have a gray platen, it's 300. So now I confirmed I got the 203 print head. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take the print head and you're going to take the connector here and there's a couple little pins here. So you don't want to do this too roughly, but you want to put the connector in like this. And then once you put it in, you want to push down from the sides and you grab the other side. Like this. Snap it in. Connect the grounding cable. Like this, give it a good push all the way in. Now what you want to make sure is this part, there's a recess in here. You want to put that part into that recessed area and this will fit on top of the spring here. So you're going to take it in, angle it like this, put it in like this, and give it a push to snap it in place. And you can tell the print head's in because you can feel it flex. So now the print head has been successfully put in and you are ready to go.